Windows 11, Advanced Network Settings Explained. Welcome to ITMaster, where technology becomes simple. In today's video, we'll explore the advanced network settings in Windows 11, step by step. Whether you want to fix a problem, optimize your internet, or understand your connection better, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. What are advanced network settings? Advanced network settings are built-in tools in Windows 11 that give you control over how your PC connects to the internet, other devices, and private networks. These settings are helpful for solving problems, improving performance, and customizing your connection. Why should you care about these settings? Advanced network settings can help you fix slow or unstable Wi-Fi, solve no internet access issues, set up VPN and sharing, diagnose DNS or IP problems, secure your PC on public networks. Mastering these options gives you power and peace of mind. Common network problems these settings can fix: internet connected but not working, DNS not responding, IP address conflict, Wi-Fi slow or disconnecting, VPN not connecting, printer or file sharing not working. Navigating to advanced network settings. Method 1. Using the Settings app. Go to Start Settings and Network and Internet. Scroll down and click Advanced Network Settings. Method 2. Using Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. On the left, click Change Adapter Settings. Shortcut, press Windows plus R, type ncpa.cpl, and press Enter. Understanding Network Profiles. Windows 11 uses 3 network profiles. Public, best for unknown or public places like cafes. Device is hidden, sharing is off. Private, best for home or work networks. Sharing and device discovery are on. Domain, used in business networks managed by IT admins. How to switch network profile, Wi-Fi. Go to Settings and Network and Internet Wi-Fi. Click your connected network name, e.g., ALI. Scroll down to Network Profile. Select either public or private. How to switch network profile, Ethernet. Connect an Ethernet cable. Go to Settings and Network and Internet. Click Ethernet, it only shows when cable is connected. Under Network Profile, select Public or Private. Network Adapter Settings. Each network adapter, like Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or VPN, has settings you can control. Here's how to access them. Open Control Panel, a Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings. Or use the shortcut. Press Windows plus R, type ncpa.cpl, press Enter. From here you can enable/disable adapters, rename adapters, view status, configure DNS, IP, IPv4/IPv6, diagnose connection issues, optimizing your network connection. Use the Network Troubleshooter. To open it, press Windows plus R. Type msdt.exe/ID Network Diagnostics Network Adapter. Press Enter. Or go to Settings System to troubleshoot other troubleshooters. Find Network and Internet and click Run. It automatically detects and fixes DNS errors, adapter faults, IP issues. Prioritize network usage for apps. You can check app usage in Task Manager App History. Use Group Policy Editor to set QoS policies for advanced users. This is helpful to prioritize streaming, downloads, or calls. Fine-tune your Wi-Fi settings. Visit your router's admin panel to change frequency, 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. Use this command to see nearby Wi-Fi networks and channels. Netch WLAN show networks mode equals PSID. In adapter properties, you can also set preferred band, adjust channel width, enable roaming sensitivity. These tweaks improve signal strength and stability. Troubleshooting network issues. Fix DNS problems. Clear DNS cache width. To reset all network settings. Netch int IP reset. Netch WinSock reset. Understand IP addresses and subnet masks. IP address identifies your device on a network. Subnet mask defines how many devices can exist in that network. Run IP protocol configuration in command prompt to see your IP, gateway, and subnet. Detect misconfiguration or conflicts. Firewall and VPN Settings. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Windows Security, Firewall and Network Protection. Click Advanced Settings for Rule Management. For VPN, go to Settings, Network and Internet, VPN. Add or configure VPN profiles. Choose correct protocols, PPTP, IKF2, L2TP. Advanced networking techniques. Network sharing. To enable file and printer sharing, go to Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center, change Advanced Sharing Settings. Turn on Network Discovery, File and Printer Sharing, Password Protected Sharing. Now you can share folders and devices across the LAN. Network Bridge. To join two networks, e.g., Ethernet plus Wi-Fi. Open ncpa.cpl. Select both adapters, hold Ctrl to multi-select. Right-click and choose Bridge Connections. This merges two networks for device communication. IPv4 versus IPv6. IPv4, example, 192.168.1.1, most common. IPv6, example, 2001 DB8.1, modern, longer address. You can enable/disable these from adapter properties. Right-click your adapter properties. Select or uncheck Internet Protocol version 4 or 6. IPv6 offers security and performance benefits, but not all networks support it yet. That wraps up this deep and practical guide to advanced network settings in Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like and subscribe to ITMaster for more clear and powerful Windows tutorials. Stay connected. See you in the next video.